Here it is, you guys. Yeah, guys, it's time to go. This has been an awesome car. I've had it since I was 18. Alright guys, wanted to bring you guys a video with the news of losing the Sentra to the channel, parting it out, selling it as a rolling chassis, and trying to get as much out of this car as I can. I spent a ton of money on this in the past 10 years, and I'm over it. But with that said, I'm bringing in a new vehicle to the channel. I'm very excited to bring this onto the channel. It is super rare. My friend did a great job. I'm buying this truck. It's a truck from my friend that did the Trailblazer. He's the one that did the V8 swap in it, the 5.3 swap in it, and he is the one that put the Gallant together for me. So I'm telling you guys, he is super awesome in what he does. He's a good friend of mine, and I swear every year I seem to be buying something from him. I miss some cool cars this past year that he did have for sale for a while, but this one I'm glad I waited and I picked up this one because it is going to be sick. I do have a few packages that came in for it. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is, but I'm going to show you guys some of the parts that I got. So, for the new truck that's coming to the channel, here is a HKS blow-off flange. So, I ordered this. Yes, that means it is turboed. The HKS blow-off valve that I had from the turbo kit, that was for the Sentra. I sold the intercooler piping, the intercooler. I sold the turbo kit, but I kept the blow-off valve and HKS blow-off valve, guys. So it is a turbo truck. I'm super stoked, so stoked. What else I had to order was a half wheel bung fitting right here. I think this was for the water meth injection, because it has water meth injection, but currently I'll say it, the truck does not have an intercooler right now. It was just recently done. Alright, camera died, but what I was saying is the truck doesn't have an intercooler set up. Recently done, has a freshly rebuilt motor. So yeah, it has water meth injection on it to keep the air intake temps cool. But now it is getting a blow-off valve, and in this box is a intercooler core. And it is pretty big. It's 20 inches long, but it's going to get cut a little bit shorter. It's 4-inch core. It's going to be pretty sick. Here it is. Holy smokes. This thing's a beast. So, my friend will be welding on some end tanks on it. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. You guys are going to like this. This is going to be an awesome build. I'm already thinking of what I can do to make it more reliable with the rear end and the transmission. And you guys will know why when I share to you guys what we're bringing into the channel. So, future build, guys. It's turbo, it's a truck, and it is freaking sick. So, like, subscribe, share, and you guys will see soon what we're bringing onto this channel. But I'm super excited. Super excited. I can't wait. Thank you, guys.